So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you?
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video you've ever watched of mine, hello, my name is Lonyea, and in today's video we are going to be talking with swollen gums. So I really didn't want to film today because my gums are swollen, and I do have a video pre-filmed, so I could have uploaded that, but it's pretty similar to the one from yesterday, so I wanted to separate them so I didn't have like two videos back to back that had like the same look. So I decided to once again separate them, but in this video we're just gonna do like the smoky eye look. I was thinking about this look last night when I was in bed, and I hope it turns out like how I envisioned it. So we're just gonna go ahead and try and just get into it. If you aren't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also make sure you tap the notification bell right next to it so that way you're notified every single time I post a video, or you can do occasionally, because I post quite often if there's not crazy things with the wedding or my body going on. But you can expect anywhere between 2 to 5 videos a week. It used to be like 4 to 5, but as I'm getting closer and closer to the wedding, it's like getting crazier and crazier. Don't get married, y'all. It's crazy. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and used my James Charles, what am I talking about? My ColourPop No Filter Concealer in D40 to prime my lids, because I am going to be using my James Charles palette. This is the concealer that I use no matter what, but this particular palette they recommend that you use with like a primer or like the P. Louise base. I don't really like the P. Louise base, so I just stick with what I know, and this concealer is what I know. It dries down to a nice kind of matte finish, so that is what I'm going to use. I'm first going to take the shade Escape, which is the dark purple, and this is going to like, oh, I needed to apply tape. I think I said I was going to apply tape. Well, in my brain, I think I said that. I was going to apply tape for this look, because I want it to be kind of crisp. I don't know. I never apply tape, but we shall see. Okay, so I'm going to apply Escape, and I'm using a Stilazzi. This is an L211. It's like a blending brush. And this is going to get packed onto my crease. You can already see the saturation, the pigmentation. I don't know if I want to do like, if I want this to be like a I don't know, y'all. I don't know how I want this look. I guess just come along with me for the journey. But right now I am stamping this color in place. And then I'm going to start to blend it out. So I'm not taking any additional product. I'm just going to start to go side to side motions and just start to buff this. As you guys can see, I also didn't apply a transition shade above this shade because I wanted to get the footprint down of the purple first to make sure that it really like latches to this pigment or to the primer, and then after I get it like nice and tacky, I'll go over it with a primer, or what am I talking about, with a transition shade. So while I'm blending this out, I'm doing really light pressure. So I'm going to move my mirror back over here because it's hard for me to look in my viewfinder and the mirror if I'm over here, but I'm trying to be this way so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. It's just hard, it's difficult, but pressure is very, very, very light when blending it upwards, because you can be pretty hard in the crease because you're just packing color on. But as you get a little higher, you want to just loosen up the pressure a little bit and start to buff. That way it's just moving the product lightly above. I might not even need a transition shade, or I can take some of the purple on the other side of this brush, the lighter purple, and just go above. So I'm not even going to use a transition shade today. Are you guys proud of me? So now I want to deepen this crease up a little bit. So I'm going to take the shade Benny right here. It's like a, I don't know what this color is. It's like a dark color. I'm going to take this on this BH Cosmetics brush. It came from the Royal collection, I believe. And this is just going to go right into the socket. And see how dark that is compared to the purple? It's almost like a black, but it's not a black, and it just really adds that definition to the look. I always keep my other brush like on hand, and I just kind of flick between the two. And I haven't gone in to apply any more of this Benny shade. And I'm not applying any more of, what is it, Spooky? Or, no, not Spooky. The purple shade. I haven't gone to apply any extra of that. I am going to take this L215 from Stilazzi and just kind of, it's clean. I'm just going to go over the edges a little bit at the top. And then now I believe I'm just going to take a little more of Benny right out here. So now I want to cut out my crease, and I'm going to take my ColourPop concealer, which is like almost gone, and I'm going to take my Dose of Colors concealer brush, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. Okay, you guys, so for the lid shade, I'm going to take Sphere from the Prism palette. It's like a really neon electric color. And I'm taking a Sigma E57 eyeshadow brush. And I'm packing this on a tacky base. And this is just going to go, this look is going to look very less spring, which I need to start doing some spring looks. Less spring, but more Halloween. Should have did this around Halloween time. Okay, so I originally wanted this not to be my cut crease, so I'm just going to go back and kind of cover that up, I guess you could say. And then I'm going to start, so it kind of looks like that. It's kind of cool, right? Don't you think? And then I'm going to start to fade it onto the lash line. But I do need to take some of Benny out here too. But I'm going to use a Sigma smudge brush, or short shader. This is an E20. I'm going to take the same purple shade and just kind of follow from out here. So I'm just going back and forth with the brushes, packing the color on, and then I'll take the fluffier brush and use it to blend it out so it's not like super harsh. Kind of like this. It's very different in terms of like color combos, for me at least, not other people obviously. I'm sure someone has done a color combo similar. And then I'm going to take some glitter just to kind of spice it up a little bit. I have this glitter right here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to change it because this is a little blue. Okay, I don't have much purple glitter, but I think this will work. This is a NYX Face and Body glitter in the shade Violet. Okay, so I'm actually going to take this one. It's just a craft one that I got from Walmart or a Hobby Lobby or something. And I'm just going to take some NYX Face and Body Glitter Primer. Always use this primer. I don't use like lash glue or anything like that. I feel like it's kind of like I just had bad experiences. I've ruined brushes and stuff like that. So I'm going to take another short shader brush. This is from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. And just pack this over. But the lash line is just kind of sporadic, and then I'm not going to apply too much glitter. So what I have on my brush is what I'm just gonna use to spread. I feel like I look alien-esque. Yeah. Let's see. Peel this off. I know I'm gonna put on my Drama Queen lashes. Yeah, that gives a nice crisp, clean edge. What do we think? I feel like a superhero or something. Like that's what I'm feeling. It's like I have superpowers or something. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. Do my face. I'm not gonna do my face on camera because this eye look is kind of long, and I will be right back. Okay, I legitimately feel like it's Halloween time for some reason. Like, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the lower lash line. I'm going to use the same colors that I used up top from the James Charles palette. First, going to start out with Escape, which is the purpley shade. And I'm just going to take that on a pencil brush. And this is an E30 from Sigma. And I'm kind of nervous because I know that these... Okay, this one's blending a lot better than the pink. When I used the pink and I had set my under eye concealer, it didn't really tack on as well to the lower lash line, but this purple is doing pretty fine. It's doing okay. Next, I'm just going to take a flat definer brush and go in with the shade Benny and just get really close to the lower lash line. Okay, you guys, so for the inner corner, I'm going to take the Subculture palette, and Electric out of this palette is a pretty, like, electric green. It's, like, pretty bright. I'm going to pop that in the inner corner, and I'm taking a E21 smudge brush from Sigma. And I do want to note, because you probably can't see it on camera, that the sphere color that I placed all over the lid did start to crumble. Like, you can't tell looking at it in the camera, but in person you can see that it's pretty like crumbly, crusty looking. I don't know if that's because I didn't set down my concealer with a matte. Like, I didn't set it down to a matte finish or what, but it is crusty looking. Okay, guys, so for lips, because I'm still waiting on my lashes to dry, I'm going to take my Clean Color lip liner in the shade Chestnut and pop this all over the lips. Ooh, this needs to be sharpened. And then for lip gloss, I'm going to take this MAC lip gloss in the shade Spite. It's kind of like a nude, but it has like purple undertones, and I felt like it would go really nicely with the eye look. So I didn't want to do, like, I didn't want to do purple, because I felt like it would be too much purple, so. Okay, you guys, what do you think? Ooh, what is that? Ooh, is that a... Okay. Thought that was a gray. So I just popped on my Drama Queen lashes, and they of course took the look to the next level. I think I'm gonna order, I hope she has some more in stock, but I think these might be the lashes that I end up wearing on my wedding day. Like, I think so, because I just love how either these or I think it's Whiplash. I think it is Whiplash. Either these, Whiplash, or maybe Nita from Baba Lashes. I'm not sure, but I just love these lashes and definitely took the look to the next level. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think about it down below. I know y'all are gonna love it because I'm loving it. And usually when I love looks, y'all love looks. And vice versa. You know what I mean? So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.